Right, morning guys, welcome back to another video focusing on 3D drawing. Today what we're going to do is we're going to focus on drawing cylinders. Okay, so cylinders are 3D circles. An example of a cylinder is this can. Okay, as you can see, you've got a circle there and it becomes 3D down here. Right, there's steps to drawing cylinders. Okay, right, if we look at this can, if I look at this straight on, okay, this is a circle, but then when I look at it in 3D, all of a sudden it becomes flatter, it becomes squashed. Okay, so we've got to learn how to draw these squashed circles, which are actually called ellipses. So what I've done up here is I've put a title here of ellipses, and I've drawn myself a cube in the middle. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to draw ellipses, which are squashed circles. Now, over here, you can see, right, we've got a cylinder standing up. And this at the top here is an ellipse, which is again your squashed circle. We've got a cylinder lying down one way, and we've got an ellipse here. And then finally, we've got a cylinder lying down the other way, and we've got an ellipse here. So as you can see, the first step, the most important step, is to learn how to draw those ellipses. Right, in order to do that, what I've done is I've created this cube. Now, what we can do is we can put a little line with a pencil. So the first step is to draw your cube out, and then about halfway along, do this roughly, and don't press too hard. We're going to put some little lines because we want to break our ellipses down. So put some little marks halfway along. Now, when we're drawing an ellipse on the top of a cylinder, it's for a cylinder standing up, what we need to do, I'm going to turn my page slightly like this, and the top and the bottom become a bit flatter like this. Now, what happens is when you squash a tennis ball, the top and bottom become flat and it bulges out the sides, so our sides become curvier, okay, because it gets squashed out. There we go. So draw it faintly to start with, and then what you can do is you can then, once you're happy with your lines, you can go over them a bit darker. Okay, and there is our ellipse for the top. Right, what we're going to do here is same process again, little mark halfway along like this. What I'm going to do to help you, this is flat, this is flat, this is curvier, and this is curvier. Right, on this side we're going to do the ellipse lying down. So this is a flat curve, this here is a flat curve, and then at the ends we've got curvier curves like so. So when you're happy, go over it a bit darker like so. So we've got flat here, bulging out the sides, curvy and curvy. Right, it needs to be a bit more curved there. Right, what we're now going to do is this side here, same process again, halfway along like so. This here is a flatter curve, this here is a flatter curve, and then bulging out the side, bulging out the side. Like so. Right, so there you've got your ellipse for a line down, this one here, line down, and finally standing up. Right, this, as you can see, is flatter curve, curvier curve, and a curvier curve. Right, your challenge is, right, we're going to start by drawing 3 cubes. So I've done 2 already. I'm using a ruler for this to make it a little bit neater. Starting with that arrow pointing down. And I'm just doing these 4 centimeters so you can fit them on a page. Turn it into a book. And then we just need to put that hat on the book. Make sure this line is parallel with this one. And then in there like so. Right, I've got my 3 cubes. Now all I need to do is, on each of them we're drawing the ellipses in. Oh, that should be a little bit further up. Remember, halfway along, I'm going to do all the little lines first. Put my little marks on there. And then I'm going to get my pencil. It's always nice if you do it in a different colour. Flatter, flatter, bulging out the side. Bulging out the side. Then I'm going to go flatter, flatter, bulging out, bulging out. On this one, flatter, flatter, bulging out, bulging out. Okay, can you do that on each of these as well and finish that off? That's your first task. That is your warm-up. So we've got title of ellipses. Remember, using your 2 guidelines. You draw your 3 cubes out as best you can. You mark the halfway points like so. And do the same on this one, and then you draw your red lines in. Draw your curves, flatter, flatter, curvier, curvier. I've got this one, flatter, flatter, curvier, curvier, flatter, flatter, curvier, curvier. Again, if I draw them on, and then curvier, 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 and that applies to all of them. So get all 3 done. That is your first task, and then next video we can move on to actually drawing the cylinders out. So this is your first task. Good luck with that. Look out for the next video of drawing cylinders. Thank you.